Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are going to be doing a lot of stuff, so I'm going to go quick with this. We're going to do a big barbecue bonanza. Alright, so if you want to see how we put all this stuff together, come on back and we'll do it up. Alright? Alright guys, if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. Really? And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can see all the good stuff we do every week and listen to Charlie the dog make a bunch of noise in the background. Alright? So today, like I said, barbecue bonanza. We are doing a barbecue bachelor party for my buddy Aaron. He's getting married next month. We're a bunch of old guys who just want to sit around, drink whiskey, play cards, no big deal. So it's going to be a real tame bachelor party. I'm going to bring you along today. And, really? I'm going to bring you along today. Get down. And, you know, just have some fun with us. Play some cards. We'll eat some food. And just do the whole thing. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is got to cook all this food. Alright, prepped all this up last night. So in the iCard right here, you'll have the live stream that I did, so you can kind of see how I did all the dry rubbing on everything. Okay, so back down on here, I'm not going to put the ingredients in the description. If you want to know how I did something, email me or put it in the comments and I'll get back at you. Okay, so we got wings, we got tri-tip, we got shrimps. We got some smoked sausage. I'm putting some peppers together, some onions and peppers for the tri-tip after I get it cooked. Got some mashed potatoes we're gonna make in the oven right here. We got some short ribs being braised. They're going on the 3rd hour now, so we're gonna take those out. So we're gonna take out the short ribs, and then I'm gonna take the juice out of it, add a little brown sugar to it, and then reduce it down to make it a glaze for the short ribs, okay? So with the wings, we got some, we're gonna make them spicy barbecue. So we got a little sweet, little heat. This is gonna remind me back in the day in the Madrid crib, which is where my buddy Kale, Ed, Joey all lived. We had a night of partying when we were younger, so we were probably about 24, 25. And we barbecued all day, and then we went out and drank at night. The barbecue wings we did, someone dumped the whole bottle of Tapatio in it, and they were just fire. Like, no one could eat them, right? So we put them away in the fridge, and we went out and drank. Came back, you know, we're all having a good time, we're partying, we're looking for something to eat. So we get on these wings, and they were so good because they were cold, they'd been sitting for a while. They were so good, but they're so hot. We were like, our lips were burning like crazy. We're digging out the milk, the white bread, whatever, we're trying to calm them down. It's just one of those good memories we had. So I'm gonna try to duplicate that because most of them guys are gonna be there tonight. And we got our wings, okay? We all love tri-tip. On these shrimp right here, I'm going to make a whiskey honey glaze that I'm stealing from Chef Johnny from Texas barbecue and cuisine, Texas style barbecue and cuisine. Anyway, his link will be down below. I don't have any of Tennessee's finest for my whiskey, so I'm going to use a little bit of my finest crown in it. We're gonna put that all together in the pan. I'll put Johnny's link down below. And so you can see how he did his honey whiskey. You can find his ingredients too. Okay? I think that covers everything. I know it's a long intro. We're going to be cutting this up. We're going to have some tonight. We're going to do this. It's going to be a whole thing. Alright? So I hope you stick around and come along with me on this journey. With see some friends, some food, some beers, some cards. It's going to be a good time. Alright? So stick around and we'll come back. Alright? Alright guys, here's the finished product of all the hard work. We got our honey whiskey shrimp, our tri-tip, our short ribs and been braised, our spicy barbecue wings, and our smoked sausage. Come on back and I'll show you all. Alright guys, we're back. We're on the stove right now. We're making the glaze for the shrimp. So the honey whiskey, or the whiskey honey shrimp, however you want to put it. Alright, so we got soy sauce in here, we got ginger in here, we got garlic in here. We got some dried peppers that I chopped up real nice. A little olive oil in there, so we're gonna reduce this down, get it kind of thick and syrupy, and then we're gonna get it on the shrimp, we'll get it on the grill. Finish this up, and get me on the grill. We got the tri-tips going right now. Got the wings in the oven. We're gonna do the wings in the oven for about 45 minutes or so, and then put them on the grill, and then start basting them with the sauce. So we get all that char flavor, but they're gonna be cooked nice and tender, okay? Short ribs are about to come out. Juggling a lot today, but it's gonna be fun. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back in the backyard. T, come with me. What another? Look at the sky. Look at the pool. Look at the dog. Back on me. All right, so got the meat going. Monsters. It's gonna take forever to cook these. And we got our smoked sausage on the grill. You know what I like to call these? I like to call these appetizers because you have to have something to eat while you're cooking. Yeah, you have to have something to eat while you're cooking. These tri-tips are gonna take a good hour. The short ribs are still going. They need a little bit more time. I put a lot in there, so it's gonna take some more time. And we'll reduce that sauce and make it a glaze. And then I gotta cook the onions and peppers for the tri-tip, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull these off the grill. I'm gonna slice them up really thin. I'm gonna put all the peppers on top of the sliced up tri-tip, so all that good flavor just kind of marries into it while we're traveling. So we got about an hour drive after this to get to where we're going for the party. What? All right, guys, we're about to get the shrimps on. Tri-tips are looking nice. I'm firing them up and I'm moving them around a bit. Okay. I don't want it to just kind of stay stagnant. Have it on a low temperature in the back, got a little higher temperature right here. Just kind of do a little convection style, okay? So we're gonna get char on these no matter what. It's a big cut of meat. I've had a nice rub on them all night. So there's gonna be char, but that's just flavor. But I don't want it to get too burnt, all right? So we're constantly moving it around, okay? All right, let's get these good looking shrimps on. I double skewered them in order to make it a little easier to flip them over. Now remember, do not overcook your shrimp. Just about a minute on each side. These are nice jumbo U10 shrimp. Good stuff. We'll leave those 3 for the next round. Okay. Once we get these done, I'm gonna peel them off the skewers. Anyway, something weird. And throw the skewers away. Put those in the, put them in a metal tin. Maybe throw some butter on top. You know, butter makes everything better. Okay, come on back. All right, y'all, we're back. We got the shrimps, they're all done. I'm gonna take those off the skewers. Skewers, you know I like that word. I'm gonna use that all day. Take it off the skewers and put them in a tin, one of these throwaway tins, travel tins. And then now we're gonna work on the wings. So these wings have been cooked in the oven, so they're nice and tender and soft and lovely. But now we're gonna get them a little fired up, get a little char on them, and then we're gonna add our little spicy barbecue sauce to them. All right, get them basted up. So I'm gonna cook them up, get a little char, get the barbecue sauce on them, kind of cook that through, and then they'll be ready to go. All right, tri-tips are still working, short ribs are still working, sausages are going down, beers are going down too. All right, come on back. All right, guys, I have finally done cooking every little bit of food we freaking bought. All right, so we got our barbecue wings, shrimps and sausages, tri-tip, and the short ribs. All right, so we're gonna pack this up, throw it in the truck, head on down the road. Aaron, your punk ass better appreciate this. Love you, bud. All right, guys, we're off. We got Pops. We're up. All right, we're on our way. Whoa, I just dropped that. We're on our way to go see Aaron and all the guys and have a good time.
Adore you all of the time.
There's the man. Now this isn't Aaron. He ain't getting married.
No.
How you doing, brother?
Not again.
The man of the hour.
We planned right.
I gotta be.
Oh, you're doing one of those.
I'm doing one of those. You guys are gonna be on YouTube. I'm not trying to say that every house in California has a pool. There's a man of the hour. Aw, Puddin'. What's up, baby? You guys, you're the worst stripper ever.
Oh, thank you.
Look at that. Oh, is that almost a six-pack?
Almost.
Damn.
Shaded. I can get a tattooed in.
Oh, yeah. Game over. You're on camera. Oh no, baby. How you doing?
What's up, buddy?
Larry, Elsie, how was dinner?
It was excellent.
Yeah.
Hats off to the cook.
All right, good man. This is where all the poker's going down.
Alright.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, Puddin'.
Okay, unfortunately, I can't make the whispering sound like you just did. What are we doing? We're zooming in space.
You trying to read them?
I believe that's a call.
Well, I figured nobody else is gonna go, so yeah.
Heads up. Oh yeah, keep them on.
Get there. Check.
Are you gonna go back
Borderline
to the
bitch.
tape? You gonna go back to the tape later or what? Sir, we're gonna ask you to put your recording device away.
So up to you.
Check.
What are you looking at me for? I don't even have cards.
Because he's not paying attention to me.
Oh, okay.
Check.
Somebody looking at me.
So yeah, I lost my first all-in. That sucks.
I'm glad I did. It worked until you went all in.
Yeah, I thought King said.
Pineapple?
No, it was caramel.
I'm like, it was connected. Was that you gonna be nice when he's Eddie over there?
I don't remember what he did.
Whiskey?
That's good job.
I don't know.
Cheers. All right, we're done. We're tired. Might have had a little bit too much to drink. Eddie, come on in here.
He's lying. He's lying. We are going for hours.
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 Hours. It's one of my best friends in the world here.
Yeah.
Been friends since we were little itty bitty kids. See, it's hard not to look at that thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can't. You gotta look at the camera. Yeah, you gotta look there. Exactly. All right.
I love you all.
Love you all. Thank you
And
for
I love
stopping
you
by.
too.
Love you. All right, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out, doing the vlog style. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care now.